Public.com is an investing platform that is working to make better investors. We're working to put our investors first, from our business models to our product design. Our mission is to make the public markets work for all people.
I think as we break that down into how do you actually do something that's like that, the vision very clearly is to help people get started investing, put their first few dollars to work, and then ultimately become better investors over time. And we've built both a product and a community that help further that. So on the product side, we allow people to invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, all from their phone and in our web app. And then second, we have a community of investors that make it a really accessible and inclusive experience to begin a new investor's journey and to help them learn on the markets.
That means you can find many other members from many walks of life who are in a similar place as you and learn from each other, while also being able to talk with people that may have more knowledge about a given asset or about a given industry to help you make informed decisions.
So we're not only adding more accessibility, but we're changing the culture around people that talk about the stock market.
Invest in what's exciting to you and what you're interested in and what you know, and use that as a vehicle to learn more about the markets and understand sort of ultimately who you are as an investor. And I think what we've seen from most people in the community is by doing that, by taking that sort of an approach, they naturally diversify.
We did a bunch of research recently, and we found that over 3/4 of people that start off investing with a meme stock or with crypto actually go on to diversify their portfolios with more long-term investments. Greater access was just the first step to how everyday people can participate in the markets.
We are like bridging access between retail investors and the leaders and founders of many public companies. We've done this through many different products and product features, public town halls, which are live Q&As between those leaders and the investors, where investors can actually ask questions directly to the leadership. In addition, we have public lives, which are live audio sessions where we have a host interview some of these different public company leaders and or industry leaders to help bridge the gap of the knowledge between those analysts as well as your normal community member.
Real-time data is super important, especially now as the markets move quickly, and a lot of the times you don't even know why, right? So if we can embed that education directly in the individual's portfolio, when they are checking that price at the moment, we are giving that context right away, and then they can go off and further dig into that research.
I think it's very clear, having been in the industry working on this problem for about 5 years, that the specific real-time Nasdaq services are the best of breed. They're the gold standard, and anything else is going to introduce more issues and friction into the experience. Nasdaq allows us to help retail investors play on a level playing field with institutional investors by giving them the most accurate real-time data that they can about what's happening in markets.